Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, the place where we dive deep into all things beauty and grooming. Today, we're checking out a highly anticipated product, the Braun Electric Razor for Men Series 9 Pro 9465cc. This electric shaver promises to deliver a top-tier shaving experience with features like a ProLift Trimmer, a flexible head, and a clean and charge station. Let's see if it lives up to the hype and if it's worth adding to your grooming routine. First, let's take a closer look at the details. The Braun Series 9 Pro 9465cc is designed to be a versatile, wet and dry foil shaver that can handle everything from a one-day stubble to a 7-day beard. It comes equipped with a ProLift Trimmer, which captures and cuts flat-lying hairs, even those tricky ones, thanks to the sonic technology. What sets this model apart is the 5-in-1 clean and charge station, which not only cleans and lubricates the razor, but also dries and charges it, keeping the performance as good as new. The shaver has a flexible pro head that can navigate tricky areas of the face, like the jawline or under the nose, more easily. On top of that, the battery life is solid, offering a 60-minute shave on a full charge, or you can do a quick charge for one shave in just 5 minutes. And for those of you who prefer to shave in the shower, this razor is 100% waterproof, making it a breeze to use with foam, gel, or simply under running water. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs in real life. I've been testing it for a few weeks now, both in the shower and with a dry shave. The ProLift Trimmer is no joke. It really does help cut those stubborn hairs that other razors tend to miss. I found it especially effective around the neck area and under the chin, where hair growth tends to get a little tricky. It glided smoothly with minimal irritation. The wet shave experience was great too. When used with a bit of shaving gel, the razor delivered a comfortable, close shave. It didn't tug or pull, even on longer hairs. The 100% waterproof feature also made cleaning up a breeze. I just rinsed it under the tap and the razor was good to go. As for the 5-in-1 clean and charge station, I absolutely love how it keeps the razor in top condition. The fact that it cleans, lubricates, and dries the shaver all in one go is a huge convenience, especially if you want to maintain the razor's performance for a longer period of time. It also comes with a travel case, which makes it easy to take on the go, definitely a plus for those who travel frequently. Let's break it down a bit further with the pros and cons. Pros: ProLift Trimmer captures and cuts stubborn, flat-lying hairs effectively. Sonic technology makes the shaving process faster by cutting up to 10% more hairs in less time. The 5-in-1 clean and charge station is incredibly convenient, automatically cleaning, lubricating, and charging the razor. Wet and dry use means you can shave in the shower or with foam gel for a softer experience. Great battery life with quick charge feature for those on the go. Cons: price point is on the higher side compared to other electric razors, which could be a barrier for some. While the razor is effective for most areas, it can be a bit bulky for really precise trimming, e.g. around the mustache area or sideburns. The clean and charge station takes up a bit more space on the bathroom counter, which might not be ideal for everyone. Value for money. When it comes to whether this razor is worth the price, I'd say that it is, but with a few caveats. You're definitely paying for the advanced features, like the ProLift Trimmer and the clean and charge station, which keep the shaver in top form. The razor delivers a high-quality, close shave that feels luxurious, thin, but the price might be a little too high if you don't need all of those additional features. Comparisons. If you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are other options out there like the Philips Norelco 9000 series. It also offers wet and dry shaving, but doesn't have quite the same level of convenience when it comes to cleaning and charging. The Panasonic Arc 5 is another alternative. It's also a high-performance foil shaver, but it doesn't come with the clean and charge station. Build quality and longevity. The build quality of the Braun Series 9 Pro is exceptional. The materials feel premium, and the razor has a solid, durable design. The Pro head moves flexibly, and the overall construction feels robust. I don't foresee any issues with longevity, especially if you maintain it properly with the clean and charge station. Customer support. I haven't had to reach out to Braun's customer service, but from what I've read, their customer service team is fairly responsive. Braun has a solid reputation for standing behind their products, so if you run into any issues, you can expect a helpful experience. Final verdict. The Braun Electric Razor for Men Series 9 Pro 9465cc is a top-tier product in the electric shaver category. It offers precision, ease of use, and convenience with its wet-dry capabilities and clean and charge station. If you're someone who values a top-quality grooming tool and doesn't mind investing in it, this razor is a great choice. However, if you're on a tighter budget or don't need all the bells and whistles, there are more affordable options that still provide a good shave. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. End of video engagement. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Braun Series 9 Pro 9465cc, I've got the link for you in the description box below. And if you've tried it already, drop a comment. Let's talk about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.